Hi.
Recording through USB.
USB.
Is it connected properly? Why is
Yes.
it bent backwards?
No, it's fine. It's
Like
fine.
you.
It's supposed to be like that because
hello,
that
hello.
is heavy and the thing is small, no?
Your mom.
Trial number 1. Does this come out good? And these people are just joking.
Is this fine if I put it here?
I don't know. It's fine as long as
You
your
can't
voice
say
is...
the N word.
My bad.
No N words allowed.
My bad.
No F words
This is a
allowed.
trial run, so they don't even care.
I can't not say.
For the sakes, don't.
Imagine like someone actually editing and like
My best friend.
I also might learn editing and do it myself.
Okay.
I have to learn it though.
Clearly, we are a bunch of dumbasses.
Can you?
Speak for yourself.
Why is it like that?
Because your neckline is loose.
Yeah, pull your shirt back.
Pull your shirt back.
Hi, I am Fizza.
Why am I British?
I am Fizza and I have
To her?
Okay, I'll stop. My bad.
Just hold it.
Actually, we can just
Sure.
hold it and do also.
I mean, yeah, you can hold it.
Sometimes.
I just like, I'm very
You can also
expressive.
speak. We have to check your mic also.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Don't speak
Why
into
is she so
that.
quiet?
Are you conscious of the camera?
No. I did not know what the
You know, both of us have been like scrubbing the floor with like bird shit on the floor.
you are the shit.
We
bro.
clearly just had to
Do you
turn.
sound-
Why did you shit?
Yeah, I am the shit, bro.
Why did you
You're not
shit?
the
She means like actual poop.
What
You,
was-
can you start? Can you just hold it in your hand? Can you just hold it in your
Can
hand?
you just put it for me?
Can you just hold it in your hand?
No.
Give. Move. No, not this.
Oh my god, this is a
If you wanna take a peek, you can.
Can you? No, it's
No, I don't.
just keep it like that. It's fine.
You're so lesbian. So that
Just hold
You
it.
are,
It's
you
fine.
are,
Just hold
half
it.
your face has been like, not half, the entirety of your face has been out of the screen the entire time.
You couldn't say that.
can you guys stop
You
having
don't
a
have
couple
purpose.
fight here?
Yeah. Can we just like focus on this?
Are you
now?
jealous?
Okay.
No.
Trial run. Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Ah. Why did
Can only four of us do this?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Trial 1.
What is it called again, our team?
Clap. Oh. You just said what is it called?
I'll clap you.
You thought
It's
she
okay.
didn't know the word clap.
No.
Actually, that's
no.
understandable.
Not gonna lie, you
I
don't
don't
look
know
clap.
the shooting that people do,
Stop
that
it.
the thing, that white thing, that's called a clap. That's why
No,
I said
it's called
that.
action.
No, that's called when they do it, the thing that is there, that is called a clap.
Okay.
You think this is a movie? What do you think you're 3, 2, 1.
What is that? I didn't know.
The N word.
Scene one, take one.
Okay.
Scene 1. Wait, no, we're done.
One.
We're done.
We're done.
How many openings do you want?
Oh, we can do this like every opening of our. This can be our opening for every podcast. Can you stop doing that?
Okay.
The clap. It could be our opening.
I'll clap
for every-
you.
Yeah, so
Please don't clap me.
You know what that means, right?
Yeah.
This is our opening.
not this, like, okay, yeah, this kind of looks weird.
Why are we doing this, bro?
you look like a transgender begging for money.
Can you be in the frame, please, Fizza?
Exactly.
Dude,
I am still seen.
I don't want to touch the floor with my hands. Can you? I didn't. It's clean.
You just did
guys,
this.
guys, we're missing a very important part.
What?
Storage.
The
Oh,
storage.
right. I have plenty of storage. I cleaned my
Okay.
phone up the other day.
Oh my
You mean like physically clean it?
Yeah, bro, physically.
No, I
Physically, yeah.
spiritually
Clean
clean.
up.
No, it's like, do you guys know that Gopi Bro went for washing the
There's like
laptop?
8 different conversations. Wait, how's it possible?
4 different
What?
conversations.
Anyways,
You know that
my point is,
Sadhya Sadhya, the Gopi Bro washes the laptop.
Yeah.
I cleaned out my phone, put it in backup, and now I have the storage of all the world.
Yay.
Yeah. Anyways,
Antarctica.
We have time
I've-
for foolery.
podcast name. Unravel.
Unravel.
When did we decide this?
We told you in Shreya Mam's class.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You only
You
said
said yes.
You said that you had a channel name Unravel,
Oh,
and
she
then you
didn't
were gonna
agree to
use it.
Oh,
And then
you didn't agree. You're not agreeing to it?
No, like
Do you not like it? Do you not like it? This, that, just
Do you
it.
want to name it underwear instead?
Underwear.
I'm joking.
You're bleeding.
When?
oh my god,
It's fine.
She's so concerning, man.
did you bite her?
She bit me yesterday and I have bite marks on my shoulder.
Really?
Yeah, because you were drowning her in the water.
No, she bit me when we were standing in queue. I wasn't doing shit.
You were.
Anyways,
You were.
can I finish explaining?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Do you know the name? Do you know the
What are
name?
the underwear? You're scratching me, man.
Do you know the name?
Unravel?
Yes.
Okay. What are we unraveling?
Our
Us.
lives.
Everything.
Us.
Yeah.
That
Name.
sounds wrong.
I'll unravel you.
The
And
unravelers. Just
Ooh,
imagine.
unravelers.
Just
Anyways,
imagine. Just imagine.
Unravel.
name. Unravel.
Is this even on?
Yes.
Unravel.
Um,
She'll say the N word. Shut the fuck up. She's gonna be like,
Unravel.
Okay, members.
oh, that's why you were saying it. I get it.
Unravel. Take one.
Why are you chanting in the back?
Oh,
Starting a cult in the back.
Unravel.
Wait.
Let her explain.
Imagine the audio doesn't
Name Unravel members Fiza, Shivani, Kunjan,
And Advika.
and me, myself, and they can't see me throwing me out.
Okay, wait. Come here. Advika.
Oh shit! Oh my head.
You can't be nice. I admit it. You just can't.
I'm getting there.
No.
I can get good at it.
Yeah, right.
What? What I can get good at?
To
Be mean.
be like her. Hey, what? Yeah, she is pretty mean. Okay, right.
Be
She just
non-
screams at me.
be nonchalant.
Dude, every time I talk to her, she just goes, this is her face. This is a standard face when I talk to her about anything, even if it's something benefiting her. She just do this. She's just so disgusted with me. I was like, what did I do? What did I do? Like,
Why
do you
bothering
do that?
her? Why are you bothering her?
I was complimenting her.
Not
okay?
you. I'm not asking her why you bothering
I was
her.
complimenting her hair yesterday, and she just looks at me like this. And I'm like, what did I say something that offend you?
Unravel.
Can you stop doing that?
It's just automatic. I do it unconsciously.
See,
I'm so sorry. I don't love you though.
do you?
Why was? Can you both stop virtually kissing each other?
Can you stop showing your shoe on camera?
It has bird shit in it. By the way.
Or no, it does not. For bird shit to stick on my shoe, it has to be fresh.
Please shut up. We don't need to know the logistics of it.
Cool, guys. Why do you say it in such a seductive way?
Yeah.
You
Is
both?
that better?
Do you both want a room?
We go down the room. Are we not
Me
there?
and Gunjan can leave.
Yeah.
It's okay, guys.
It's okay, guys.
I'll
kiss
make
you
out with you.
Come here, me also.
See, I'm not included in this.
You too, Shivali. Don't worry.
Come here, Shivani.
She was being so freaky yesterday. Don't act like you weren't doing shit.
Exactly.
You were showing your ass to practically the whole room.
Mama, my ass was because it's because of the
お前はもう死んでいる。
What?
Because of the.
What?
Can you stop staring at them?
that slide shit. It was because of the slide. And the one who was looking
Give them context.
We went to Underla yesterday. Now give context.
Wait, I'm trying to find the words. We went to Wonderla.
Bro, just continued repeating the same
We
thing.
went to Wonderla yesterday, and they three ditched me for the water slide.
We did
You
not
did.
ditch.
Shut up, that-
Side note, we did not ditch.
You ate lunch without us.
You ate
I didn't
lunch
even eat
without
lunch.
But you went to lunch.
I was
went.
sitting there drying myself because my ass was wet.
Keep cough.
And then I went down the slide and he saw my ass again. I had to write again.
I have no words.
Yeah.
So that's speechless.
My ass was
It's
all
the first
there
time
and
I'm
there.
speechless.
No, tell your slide story. How did you show your ass to the whole?
I
You
slide.
guys do realize my best friend's gonna be seeing this. Right?
Oh,
Hi, boob.
it's fine though. He should
Wait,
probably
editing
get
this
used to.
Is
the
it a
shitty
he or a
talk.
she?
It's a he.
Oh,
It's a man.
Hey, it's okay, da.
It's fine. We're very
You're a girl for us.
We're very good.
You're one of the girls.
You're one of the girls.
Hi, boob. You're one of the girls.
Oh yeah, his name is.
I was just saying that. I'm thinking I ran into boob randomly.
You say his name is Boom. I'm like, why is
What's
she?
his actual name? I forgot his name.
But
What?
I'm kidding. It's Umer.
Okay. Hi,
Umer or Umar?
Umer.
I clearly said Umer. Where did you say
Shit, my
Umer?
bad, bro. Shit, my bad.
So everyone say hi, Umer.
Hi, Umer.
Hi,
I
Umer.
Way to take care of your
Best friend.
best friend.
Too
She's in
bad
safe
she's my
hands.
best friend now.
She's in safe hands.
Yeah.
Fine now.
Your best friend's gay.
She is actually.
Oh,
She is actually though.
She is actually.
what, really? Are you actually?
You guys just
Wait, what should I? Okay, wait, okay. One, I want to establish one thing. Are we all straight or not?
We are.
We are.
Don't worry.
Okay, thank God.
Don't worry, no
not.
one will come and kiss you.
we are, but we're not.
But we're not.
But we're
Yeah.
not.
We're not actually straight.
So if
You know that,
if you
right?
see like us making out, just ignore it. You know, like a normal
You know
person.
that we're not actually straight, right?
No. Is it enough to jump from here? Will I die?
No, you
probably just
maim
break your ass, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have an ass. That's why it hurts so
No,
much.
your
yesterday.
tailbone, your tailbone.
It was
Then what did the people see?
dude, the burn. It burned so much. Okay, it was.
Will that be recorded too?
Are they getting cardio done here? This is not the place to
It's
get
like a gay
cardio done.
couple,
Actually, they
Gay.
Are they?
right? They should hold hands.
Manjunath and
Hold hands.
They both look like
Manjunath and
twins.
Swam.
It's like if that screaming has come onto that, I'm gonna hit you.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure.
Manjunath and Swam.
What are you mumbling in the car? What is it? Can you open your mouth and talk?
Ah.
What are you saying? What Manjuna?
I was saying 1 second. I was saying if we all simultaneously talk, I'm pretty sure it's going to be like no one can hear shit we're
No,
saying.
no, I think they can.
No, I think they can't. What's the point of the mic?
Exactly. What's the
You
point of
lose
this
your
pom
brain
pom?
sometimes, like
When people are there in person with us, they don't understand what we're saying. What do you mean people online would understand what they're saying just
No,
because
no,
of
put
mic?
subtitles.
Yeah, we'll put subtitles.
You do that.
Even the person trying to put subtitles would get confused.
No, you do that.
She's saying
You
constantly.
her subtitles would just be
Her subtitles will be non-legible.
yeah.
You just draw scribbles.
Umrah won't do that. Sorry, Amer won't do that. Amer won't do
So mad.
Oh, sorry.
Umrah. And then she
How
said,
did Umair go to Umrah? Even
Umair-
mine was better.
Umer won't do that to me. Right, Umer?
No, no, subtitles she will put.
talk to him like that.
Subtitles
He's
she
gonna
will
zoom
put.
in on you and he's gonna write lies.
I'm sorry, they're very weird. Actually, I'm very weird.
Yes, you are.
It's okay.
We accept you
It's
as
okay.
you
We
are.
accept you.
Yeah.
We're very welcoming.
Yeah.
We're very.
You sound like I'm a
Polite.
kid who got bullied in 5th grade and does not have friends.
It's not true.
Dude,
though.
those two are coming again.
Who those two?
Those
Oh,
two.
the
Cardio, bitch. Dude, even if they do
they're
cardio, they'll
drinking,
become.
get it?
Should we tell them that they're in our video? Like, will they like sue us or something?
Manga.
Can you stop saying manga? I'm gonna make sure manga is like bleeped out to make it seem like it's a slur word.
Manga is. Manga literally.
What does it also mean in Tamil?
Dumbhead.
Tamil?
Tamil? In Tamil, it's
How do you say it? Tamil.
Tamil.
Tamil. That's what I said.
You said Tamil.
Guys, it's been 14 minutes.
So,
Holy shit, that's a long time.
we're
I said
rappers.
40.
Well, technically
Yappa,
speaking,
yappa, 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 yappa.
technically speaking,
Yappa, 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 yappa.
Shanice,
No, please.
your mouth is moving a lot like a rat.
Stop it.
Yappa, 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 yappa.
Say, don't spray it.
Shut it, Shanice. What the f***? You said me all the time to me. disgustingly.
Dude, that was not even seen. Can you do it properly?
They look like dads.
This is the most low effort heart I've ever seen in my life.
What you should do this then.
My fingers are too small for anything else.
Oh my! You were holding my nuts like a minute ago.
Context, like eating nuts.
Dry fruits.
Yeah, dry
No,
fruits.
like actual nuts.
Yeah, I'm actually a man.
That's what I said. Like actual nuts, like nuts.
I'm
Not the
actually
nuts.
oh.
Like
These are
nuts.
not the nuts.
These are not the nuts.
I'm actually
Wait,
a
the
man.
nuts is the nuts that we eat. No, wait, what? No,
She
no.
eats other nuts. Like
I don't eat
Can we stop talking about nuts?
No.
these nuts.
Donuts.
You guys.
You're
what?
One second, let me process what I was about to say. The
Wait,
way-
I
gonna
think
take a
I
while.
figured out where to put
This is
it.
gonna take a while.
Okay, sure.
it's fine.
Okay.
You just wanna touch me.
No,
It's fine. I also want to touch you.
Yeah, I do want to touch
Where
you.
were you gonna put it?
Your side pe.
Do it.
I was gonna stuff it up your nose.
Your nose is not big enough for that.
I think this is better.
I think I know that. I think I know that.
What is the time?
Time is to go
Two.
home. What time are we
We
getting back
have
to
an hour
class?
left. It's 1:57 right now.
What
Three-
time do you want to
3:15.
go to class?
2:50?
Cool.
3:15 our class will
I want to
start.
sleep for an hour.
They didn't message or anything, no? That ma'am is taking class
Sanjana
early.
taking class in 4th floor, man.
No. They were going to ask Bhumika ma'am if she's gonna shift our class. That's why I was checking.
Why? Why are we making this intimate eye contact?
I'm just talking to her and these are people are just in their own world. Get a goddamn room.
No, I was examining her glasses. It's like concave.
Did you fix her
I'm
glasses?
so sorry. I'm going through something.
Did you fix her glasses?
It's concave.
What the
Did you know she broke her glasses?
contact?
Like we went to the train disco and she just dropped her glasses.
Oh, yeah,
And someone stepped on
Oh,
her.
yeah, she came and told me.
Can you stop waving around your glasses?
Get new glasses, get a new bag, get a new shoulder. What do you need?
Get a new bag.
Get a new
Back.
Why do I need a new
Get
bag?
back.
Why do I need a new
A back.
I got it. Why do I need a new bag?
Because
Mama.
Because it's fucking broken.
I wonder because of who.
I-
Just because of
she broke your back.
She broke your
like
back?
multiple times.
I'm telling you.
What did you guys do
I'm
that you
telling-
broke
I'm
your
telling you.
back?
Holy shit, wait. Wait.
She didn't even get it until
I'm telling you, I'm in love with her. I'm telling you.
for you, everybody is in love
Yeah.
with Deepika. Are you,
You-
jealous?
guys,
Are
can
you
we-
jealous?
can we
Or
not
do you feel
jealous?
left
You want to
out?
sit together.
Yo, I'm genuinely. Oh my god, do you not know the difference between fact and a.
She was being so freaky with me. I'm telling you deep down she really likes
What?
me.
I was being freaky. I was holding your shoulder. What is that freaky?
And
That's
she's the most homophobic one.
Exactly. Let's talk about hypocrite.
Hypocrite.
You're twitching. She's like, hypocrite.
You're a twitcher.
This is how Advika is.
When you're editing, please zoom in on this face as she's speaking.
Zoom in on this
That's how
face.
Advika was.
Zoom in on this face.
Yeah.
Zoom in on this face.
Amer. What is his name, man?
You know,
Yes.
you're like those whiteys who can't like pronounce Indian names.
Black.
One-
You're brown.
Stop saying it.
Okay, black.
Listen.
I'm a black
Okay.
man.
He's gonna cancel all of you.
Hey, request. Please
is not-
bleep out every swear word we've
This
said so
won't get
far.
edited. No, this is a trial, man.
Huh,
This
Why
is
would-
getting the.
This is getting edited. Why are you editing this one?
Him editing is also a trial. You're gonna see how it looks with everything.
Yeah. So bleep out all the curse words.
Yeah, so
Sorry, guys.
I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to bleep
Sorry,
out
man.
all the words, the slur words. Not
All
to
the
mention.
words.
Also, you're gonna have to zoom in on her a couple of times. And
Yeah,
like,
like
you're
show
gonna
her
have to, like,
disfiguring.
and just like
silence her out.
yeah, and just like quote her a couple of times. Just mute her and let like us like talk sometimes.
Staring at me.
Because she didn't get your name right.
Yeah.
So take
After,
revenge.
after multiple times also she did not get her name
Guys,
right.
I have memory loss.
Guys, it's 20. Well, it hits 2030.
2030.
2030.
20 minutes, 30 seconds.
Why the 30
Why
seconds?
30 seconds?
You're trying to rage bait. You don't.
Is
fall
that
for
like
it.
our thing? 2030?
like half a minute extra we do.
See, I like how you're trying to rage bait me right now, but I have no logic behind this. So
Dude,
just
I
wanna-
don't find any logic with you doing extra 30 seconds.
Okay, fine, we'll do 13 minutes then. Jesus.
It's already
Sorry,
22
it's already
now.
21 minutes. Fine?
21 minutes. Huh?
Yes.
It's gonna keep rising at us.
I did say I have storage.
your fault.
I did say I have storage, but it does not mean you use
Speaking
and
of
throw.
storage, you didn't send me the pictures of yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did not. I
Oh,
did.
yeah.
No, I did not.
You did not.
Ours you didn't send.
We didn't click a 4K picture. People just kept joining us.
We have one in the
Yeah.
BMTC bus.
No,
What?
no, get a good one.
Okay. Yo! Arrar. Okay, wait. Wait, hold on. Can you stop judging?
What are you, like a Power Ranger?
Come here.
Smile.
Smile.
Smiling. My smile.
What is it?
I did not make that face.
Guys, my back is breaking again.
Dude, you need to get a new bag.
It's already 21 minutes.
Oh shit.
Can you just stop it?
22. 22.
Should I stop it?
22,
Yes.
22, 22.
I knew you would do this.
Whole number. Whole number.
Stop it.
Whole number.
Stop it.